Hey friends, are you ready to see some cute stuff? We're going to unbox my June Inku Japan crate. So once again, this is all Japan kawaii cute stationery products. But it's always very cute. We're just going to dig right in. Here's what's inside the box here. And there's going to be some crinkly noises from the plastic. My bad. Alright, so it looks like we have a pencil holder. Even shows maybe a makeup brush here. That's probably what I'll use it for, is to hold makeup brushes in. We have some whiteout tape. I use the heck out of this stuff. The one in my work office right now is another one from Inku Crate. We have a notepad. Another notepad, but maybe they're sticky. Yeah, I think these are sticky notes. Once again, they're cute. It has a polar bear there. Got some decorative masking tape. This appears to have cats and bunnies and corgis and all kinds of cute animals sleeping. I might decorate some packages, or if I write some letters or birthday cards, I could stick those on there. It'd also be fun just to hand to my 3-year-old niece for her coloring and art projects. Here we have a notebook. It's got the grid paper in it. Again, I can definitely find use for this. I actually have a flip and fill, or roll and write, whichever mechanic you want to refer to it. You don't roll dice, you flip cards, so I call it flip and fill. Called Second Chance. That's on graph paper, so I could use this craft paper to play that game solo a few times and save the sheets that it came with. Here we have some cute dog stickers, cute little dog butts. A lot of the Japanese characters with this dog will show its butt, and I've never looked into why or what this character is, but it's definitely cute. And we have a pen. It says milk 100% and has 3 hearts. Gonna try to, maybe I'll just scribble on the box here to see what color it writes. Trying to get that wax ball off. Okay, so that's going to, here. I'll just do it in the little corgi notebook here. Writes red, and writes very smoothly. Definitely throw that in my work pocket. Alright, so that was the June version of the Inku Crate by Japan Crate. Once again, it's all stationery items. It's all Japanese and kawaii themed. Thank you for tuning in and watching my unboxings. Bye.